From a NatWest perspective, one of the things that's been important to us from the get-go has been looking at this regulation, open banking, as an opportunity and not as a compliance project. And I think that's an easy thing to say. And I think, through over the decades, a fair number of banks say the same thing with any type of compliance, which is, oh, we were going to do this anyhow. And I think for us, we truly took this to heart from day one, which was building a capability, building APIs, building technology, which weren't just to be used by open banking third parties, but would also be used by partners of ours, as well as ourselves. We are actually one of the primary users of these channels that we've built for open banking. We've had, just historically, we've held a vision for probably at least a decade, if not longer, that what technologists call API enablement would enable us to do some great things. At the most fundamental level, a lot of reuse, and looking forward, would enable us to deliver new products and services to our customers, not only in our own channels, but in channels that they may find more relevant and convenient, things like embedded finance. And one of the challenges has been that although we all agree on that vision of a way to build a bank, sometimes it's hard to bring that to life. Sometimes it's hard to prioritize it. And what open banking has done for us is it's put a priority around creating this underlying capability.
So my own company, we connect our business accounts to our accounting platform. That's an area where open banking is just the infrastructure that makes that run now. It's the way that businesses connect their accounts. There's huge adoption, and it's been a catalyst for that integration working much, much more effectively. At the same time, though, as Imran mentioned, if we look at areas like payments, I think it's relatively early in the journey. So there are some really good open banking payments use cases, but it probably hasn't scaled enormously yet. And I think there are a few things that will make that happen and unlock that capability. Imran talked about variable recurring payments. And I think if you combine an immediate payment rail, like we have in the UK and like have in Brazil through Pix, with intelligent consent around ongoing payment relationships, I think the opportunity is huge. So I think that will be a major catalyst that will really unlock lots of sort of truly digital, embedded, intelligent and secure payment experiences for all the sorts of things we use apps and kind of digital services for today. So I think there's some technology which is a catalyst, and we'll see that play out through lots of different use cases. But for me, I think the biggest catalyst and foundation that needs to be in place is actually banks implementing their open APIs really well. So it's about the quality and the breadth of APIs. So are they implemented really well and in line with standards? Do they perform well? Are the banks able to continue to update the APIs in line with the standards and the market expectations? And I think that's really the key foundation that the success is built on. And we're seeing that around the world. I mean, one of the things that we're most excited about in Brazil, and we're working with quite a few of the banks to help them implement their open banking APIs.